Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we are going to be talking about the PMV20 Base Wand Vibrator. So let's get started. So this is the Base Wand Vibrator itself, and this really is a colourful addition to your collection. It features a powerful motor and 11 vibration settings to choose from. It has a really good grip here thanks to the handle. And it's also made of a body-safe silicone, so it's very soft and smooth to the touch and will feel amazing on your skin. The little head here is also flexible. And you can use the Base Wand Vibrator to stimulate your clitoris, nipples or perineum, or use as a massage as well. It's very simple and easy to use. Press and hold on the bottom button and it's on. The flexible head here just adapts to the shape of your body when using, and to change the settings simply tap on the top button and choose your desired setting. To turn off, simply press and hold down on the bottom button and it's now off. It's very simple and easy to recharge using the USB charging cable provided. Simply slot it in the back like so, and it will charge quickly and easily for you. Now, when using the Base Wand Vibrator, we recommend for you to use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use. And of course, make sure to clean your toy after every use using a toy cleaner and a dry lint-free cloth for good hygienic use. And that is the PMV20 Base Wand Vibrator. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.